Today let's start our tour in the living room and quickly move down the hallway here because this is where a lot of activity took place today with the painters coming in and painting this wall and that and also down the hallway here. This has been painted. And down this hallway and in here, and here we see this room is moving closer to completion. All the painting has been done, and soon we'll be moving on down the hallway to other things, baseboard and carpeting. This was the door for Ben's office, and now it's completely covered over. A fresh coat of paint makes a big difference. The elevator door is in, and of course the bricklayers will have to come back and tooth this all in, but it looks really sharp here, and then also down below the doorway is in, and I assume upstairs as well. Yes, upstairs as well. Another major thing that happened this week is the installation of that spine up there in the top of the ceiling. There were some wooden supports and then that nice sheet of wood, and then that will hide all kinds of wires and sensors for turning the lights on. You won't be able to step into this building without lights turning on. So they'll turn on there, they'll turn on over here. You probably already noticed if you've been here on Sunday morning that as soon as you get anywhere near this area, these sensors pick up your movement and they turn on lights for you. So those little sensors there are pretty handy to have. Nobody will be wandering around in the dark in here, that's for sure. I jumped the gun this week a little bit because I did the filming on Thursday instead of on Friday. But we'll pick up on those things later. There are a few things that I wanted you to see, and so we'll be looking at those things. They're pretty noticeable. And mostly though, I wanted to do this little video just to make sure that you knew that we really appreciate your prayers, your love of this project, and especially your love of the people that we want to reach in this community and really the surrounding community as well. So just God bless you, and keep on watching and keep on praying, and thank you so much for all your interest.